We wanted sort of a self-regulating system, a system that was clever. So when the cells realized that they were causing stress, they can switch down the production so the cells are much happier. And I like to think of this perhaps as when you're trying to cook rice on a stove. So you've got your pan and you pop it on the stove like that, your rice goes in, and you put your boiling water on. Turn the hob on and off you go. You turn around, chop some vegetables, something like that, and come back and you notice that the pan's almost boiling over because you've put too much energy into it. You've tried to produce too much protein. And at that point, you rush over and you try and shut it down. But it'd be nice to have a system that would do it for you. And that's essentially what we want to do.